Hey planners, it's Tay of ShawntePlans and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be planning the week of April 26th to May 2nd and using the Sweet Planner and ShawntePlans collab kit, which is still so crazy to say. I helped design a kit, you guys. I love it. It is butterfly themed and it's got the most beautiful florals. I love the colors and I'm so excited to get a chance to plan with this. So I'm starting off by putting down the base of the spread, which first I begin by putting down the bottom washi, and I wanted to add in a little bit of foil and sparkles. Plus I've been really loving playing with these sort of garland swoops and making them look like these sort of decorative chandelier type I don't know what you would call it, decorations in my planner, and these are from Sadie stickers. And so I added the garland swoops along with some of her dangle deco stickers, and that just added a beautiful pop of foil onto the spread, which the kit is non-foiled, and I feel like these colors work with gold, silver, and rose gold foil. I had you guys vote on my Instagram page, and you guys voted for rose gold foil for this spread. I ended up using silver foil when I used the dashboard kit, so if you want to see this with a different foil color, you can check out that video. And I think this kit would also look amazing with gold as well. So I am now just placing down the date covers. The date dots that I used are from Rose Colored Days, and now I'm going to move on to my sidebar. I started with a scalloped half circle from Panda Bird Design and just cut down one of the florals from the deco sheet, layered that on top of it. I added in the sort of striped, it's too thin to be a header, it's the divider, that's what it's called, from Panda Bird Designs. That's actually off of my freebie from Panda Bird Designs. And then that vertical butterfly is from Sadie Stickers, and the April script is from Rose Colored Days. Now I'm placing down the full box in the sidebar, and I decided to add these meadow trims, the spring meadow trims from Honey Inked. I think I'm getting that name wrong, but they're amazing. Oh my god, they're so beautiful. I love those trims. I ended up adding them around all of the full boxes in this spread. Then I placed down the habit trackers, used one of the those sort of squiggly butterfly dividers from Sadie Stickers, and then I'm heading in the section where I'll be tracking my dinners for the week. So I used just one of the headers for the kit, trimmed it with the meadow trims from Honey Inked, added in the Monday through Sunday tracker, another one of those squiggly butterflies from Sadie Stickers. She had those for a $2 Tuesday, so I'm pretty sure they're not in her shop anymore, unfortunately. They are so cute. And then at the bottom, I used some of the floral deco layered over one of those bowstrung boxes from the Given Girl, and then the work from home script is from Panda Bird Design, which, so I'm looking at this on video, that is like super crooked. How did I not notice that when I was planning? I was so nervous doing this spread. Also, I really loved what I did there in adding in the butterfly deco from Sadie Stickers, like over the top of the florals. But yeah, back to what I was saying. I was super nervous doing this spread. I get nervous anytime I'm doing like a really special spread. I don't know if that's just me, like for my birthday or anniversaries or anything where I'm just like, oh, I really hope this comes out super cute. It always makes me nervous when I'm planning. And then this one, I was just like, oh my God, you can't make an ugly spread with the kit you helped design. So it was just like trying to fight my nerves throughout this entire spread. That was fun. Anyways, we're on to Monday now. And I started by marking that I needed to approve my time card for work, which I have to do on the weeks that I get paid. And then underneath there, I also marked something else I needed to do for work with the to-do script from Nettie Designs. And then that little calendar icon is from Crafts by Towie. Just needed to submit my vacation request. Oh, nice. Yeah, I'm doing a little weekend getaway over Memorial Day weekend, which I'm really excited about because it's kind of the first time I've felt sort of secure enough to try to travel since the whole COVID thing happened, which was fun. And then underneath there with that little luggage icon from Peach Palm, I started browsing for some new luggage because it's time for me to get some new luggage. So I kind of was just browsing around trying to figure out what I wanted. On top of the full box, I did mark that it was Lauren, who you guys know as Plan on Instagram and YouTube. It was her birthday on the 26th. So I wanted to mark happy birthday. And that script is from Rose Colored Days, and the butterfly cake is from JK Creates Co. And then I just finished up Monday by marking that I was chatting with Sharon of Bloom Paper Studio because I was getting ready to work on a new show that I'm doing on Instagram called Behind the Stickers, and then finished up Monday with a workout On to Tuesday, I placed down the header from the kit, and I love that. It's one of the Dangle Decos from Sadie stickers, and I love it because it's just the straight line with the little dots on it. It just looks so cute, and I love the way that looks in between the header and the date cover. I just think it's so cute. Then I added another one of those scalloped half circles from Panda Bird Design to mark that it was $2 Tuesday. And that $2 Tuesday script is from Lilac Luna Plans. The little credit card icon is from the Pretty Pink Co. Taking some more of the floral deco, I'm going to layer a laptop on top of that. And then I was just marking some projects I needed to get completed, or was trying to complete projects, because this week was month end, which is always really busy for me at work. And so I've tried to make sure I can close out as many things as possible before the end of the month. Placed down the full box for Tuesday and trimmed it with those metal trim dividers from Honey Inked. Used a half box, and this one had a little butterfly in the corner, and it's one of the things I really like about the Sweet Planners boxes. She doesn't like so overly embellish them that like if you do want to cover up the embellishment that's in the box and just leave clean writing space for yourself, it's really easy to do. Added a floral, and then that tripod icon is from Cami Designs, and I was just marking that I was filming and uploading an Ask Tay video on my Patreon, and I will have a link to my Patreon in the description box if you're unfamiliar with it. It is where I teach planning classes, so you can check that out if you're interested. Then I've been working on my skincare. Oh my goodness, my skin has been acting up like so crazy lately, and I don't know what that's about, but I had to really get like super vigilant with my skincare and be very consistent, which I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I can get super lazy when it comes to my skincare, but I really got on it this week, and am seeing results, which makes me really happy. So it's just a reminder, sometimes you just have to put in the work. And then I marked finishing up Tuesday with a workout. On to Wednesday, starting by marking my midweek posts, which I like to do on Wednesdays on Instagram. I try to upload the first half of my spread or some sort of spread post on Instagram on Wednesdays. And then I marked a project that I was working on. Oh yeah, I haven't talked about this project yet, but we'll get there. Moving on. But I'm doing some work. I feel like I'm kind of always working on some sort of project. And it's always really fun when I get a chance to actually share it with you guys. Underneath there, I just used one of the keys from the deco sheet as a divider and layered that over a floral from Honey Inked. Then using one of the half boxes from the kit and this cute little house icon from Crafts by Towie, I've been working on decorating my balcony. Summer is coming and it's going to start getting nice and warm and hot. And so I wanted to have my balcony set up so it would be a nice place to relax and enjoy being outside and maybe like eat dinner out there. So that's kind of what I have in mind. So I've just been working on sort of putting that whole thing together. And then underneath there, I marked that I was planning. I was working on this spread. So this is planning session with the Sweet Planner and ShawntePlans kit, which is this spread you're watching right now. And so, yeah, I sometimes do sort of a plan as I go style. Sometimes I pre-plan, sometimes I memory plan. And I've had people ask me about like the differences in like how I plan and how I use my planners. My most common style is what I call plan as I go, where I'll plan out a couple of days at a time. So like on Sunday, I may plan out Monday through Wednesday and kind of have an idea of what's going to happen there. And then on Wednesday, I'll plan out like Thursday, Friday, and then usually I'll come back on Friday and plan out my weekend. That's most kind of typically what I do when I do my plan as I go style. Memory planning is of course really easy because you can sit down and do that all in one setting because it's basically planning what happened the week before. And so like I have a plum paper planner where I don't decorate it at all. I just write out what happens in my day. So I always have my plans completely written out. And that makes memory planning really easy because I can just look at my planner, my plum paper planner, and see what happened and memory and back plan. So on to Thursday, started off by marking that I was prepping for month end, which was going to be Friday. And then our CFO sent around a notification on Thursday letting us know that they're estimating we'll be back to working in the office. Either they're thinking maybe like the end of July or August. And I feel like that was what they had told us on the 29th. Since then, I've gotten a recent update. They are thinking now it's going to be more like August, more so than July, and that could possibly back up as well. So it's very interesting. I do feel like I will be going back to the office at some point this year. And so the first thought I had when I saw that email was, crap, I really got to get on top of this working out thing because I need to be able to fit back into my work clothes and drop this quarantine 10. So I've been trying to be a little bit more proactive about my health and fitness and what I'm eating, because at some point I am going to have to actually put work clothes on again and not just sit around the house in lounge clothes. Yep. On Thursday, I also ended up asking Lauren, Plan, to help me with the graphics for the behind the stickers. She does amazing graphics. I don't know if you guys have seen her Instagram stories. They're always stunning. Then I ended up watching the Justice League, the new one, the Zack Snyder Justice League, which I just, at this point in my life, pretend that 2017 Joss Whedon mess never happened, because after seeing Zack Snyder's Justice League, oh my God, it was so much better. I was so angry at Joss Whedon after seeing the what that movie should have been. And it's so good. I love it. This was actually my second time watching it, and I loved it just as much watching it this time as before. In case you are unfamiliar with this fact, I am a total comic book movie nerd. Love them. And then finished up Thursday with a workout. On to Friday, it was Payday, and I marked that on top of the full box using a wallet icon from Crafts by Towie and a Payday script from Netty Designs. And then, of course, what comes with Payday is paying bills. And so that checkbook icon is also from Crafts by Towie. She is legit my favorite place to get icons from, so most of my icons are Crafts by Towie. On the scalloped half circle from Panda Bird Design, I marked that I wanted to share on Instagram because Lauren had finished creating the graphic for me, which I was so happy about, because the first episode of Behind the Stickers was going to be the following Tuesday. So I wanted to make sure to share that on Instagram and let people know it was coming. It was a really fun show too. I got a request, and she'd asked me to host and create a show in which I interview shop owners to get to know what it's like to be a shop owner in the planner community. And so the first episode was with Sharon of Bloom Paper Studios, and it's a lot of fun. It is saved on my IGTV on Instagram, so if you'd like to check that out, you absolutely can go there and check it out. And then finished up Friday. Brandon and I, we got some Wingstop and watched Amazon's Without Remorse with Michael B. Jordan. Such a good movie. I loved it. Then on to Saturday. Started Saturday with a workout. Actually, got up and did a workout with B. And then I placed an order for a ring. There was this ring that I found on online from Kendra Scott that I just thought was so beautiful. And I've really gotten into rings lately and I totally attribute this to planning and editing and constantly staring at my hands and editing. But I've really gotten into rings, and I saw this ring that I fell in love with, so I ordered it. And then spent Saturday doing some planning and filming, working on questions for Plans Change, and listening to some music, which I marked with headphone icons from JK Creates Co., and then layered a little mini butterfly sticker from Netty Designs on top of those headphones. And then I'm also adding one to the end of the Hello May script, which I added on top of the full box. That Hello May script is from Artbox Stickers, and her shop is closed now. But I feel like similar... if you're looking for something that's sort of similar to that, check out Alyssa's Craft Shop. I think her scripts are kind of that sort of scripty, hand lettery type. Then on Sunday, I started by marking church, which I was just streaming because I'm not yet back to myself personally physically being back in church, although they have resumed having like in-person services at my church. I'm just not ready to go back yet. And then underneath the full box, I marked the episode of Plans Change, which Ray and I ended up doing an earlier episode that day, and so we've switched up the time to, instead of it being an evening show, being a morning show, which was 9 a.m. my time, which we both really liked and you guys seem to like as well. So I'm excited for that change, and I think it's going to be a lot of fun. And I just layered a scallop circle from Miss Moss on top of a scallop circle from Bloom Paper Studio, and then the custom script is from Panda Bird Design. Marked some editing and then doing some more work organizing and decorating my balcony, and then finished up Sunday by just marking relaxing. I used a header and then these cute little house slippers from Crafts by Towie, and I just wanted to unwind because it had been a long and very busy week, crazy busy work week, and I just wanted to relax. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you to everyone who has taken the time to purchase and support this collab. You guys are amazing, and I cannot tell you how much I appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this video and got a little inspiration. I'll see you next time. Bye.